Imagine you're 25 in Singapore trying to figure out what to do with the next 10 years of your life, and every single headline is screaming that AI is coming for your job. So I went down a rabbit hole on this. Did actual proper research, not the usual doom scrolling on TikTok and Instagram? And 5 jobs kept coming out on top. Number 1 genuinely surprised me. Okay, first the uncomfortable part. Nearly 8 in 10 workers here are exposed to AI in some way, one of the highest rates anywhere in the world. But hang on, exposed doesn't mean replaced. For a lot of us, AI just becomes another tool, like Excel was. So the real question isn't, can AI do your job? It's who is actually required to stay in the seat. That question changes everything. Let's count down. Number 5, and this one's personal for a lot of us, Eldercare. By 2030, 1 in 4 Singaporeans will be over 65. That's not a statistic, that's your parents. And when your dad needs help getting out of bed, he doesn't need an app. He needs a person. Someone with warm hands and patience in his home on his worst day. There's no robot for that, and there won't be for a long time. Number 4, the skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers. And yes, the aircon uncle who rescues your family on a 34°C Saturday afternoon. Here's the thing. AI got scarily good at words and pictures. Hands? Not so much. Every HDB flat is its own little puzzle. Weird wiring, strange corners, someone's DIY disaster from 1998. I'll be honest, this one comes with an asterisk. Humanoid robots are getting better and better. Their balance and speed are genuinely impressive now. But the delicate handwork jammed into some tight cavity that's different in every single flat? That's still the one thing they're worst at. And a demo bot in a factory is a very long way from becoming the handyman in your house. Number 3, social workers and counsellors. Sure, AI can write up case notes. Great, honestly. Nobody became a social worker for the paperwork. But think about what the job actually is. Sitting across from a family on the worst week of their lives. Holding someone who's thinking about ending theirs. You cannot outsource that to a chatbot. And legally, someone has to carry the responsibility. A named human. That's the whole point. Number 2, preschool teachers. This one is protected by law. Literally. In Singapore, the rules fix how many trained teachers you need per child. More kids enrolled? More humans hired. No productivity app changes that math. And honestly, forget the law for a second. Would you drop your 2-year-old off with a robot? Yeah, me neither. Neither would any parent I've ever met. And number 1, nurses, physios, occupational therapists. This was the strongest case in the whole research. Every angle I checked, it held up. MOH literally cannot hire fast enough. We're talking thousands of new healthcare hires needed every single year through 2030. And here's why it holds. The demand comes from us getting older, not from some company's tech budget. Rehab after a stroke, a hand on your shoulder before surgery. No AI model does that. None. But here's the twist that reframed all of this for me. These jobs aren't safe because AI can't do them. They're safe because a regulator won't let AI sign off. Every job on this list has someone who must, by law, be a human. Licensed, named, accountable. So don't bet on the task being too hard for the machines. Bet on the license. One warning though, because I promised you honesty. A job can survive while the pay gets squeezed. Safe and well paid are not the same thing. Go in with your eyes open. So that's the foolproof formula. Real-world physical work, plus human trust, plus a regulatory authority who demands a name on the line. Find all 3, and you've got a career that bends and evolves with AI instead of breaking. So maybe the smarter question was never, will a robot take my job? It was, am I building something a machine will never be allowed to sign off on? That's something for us to think about over these next few years.